let me talk about many more things. No? What are the important numbers? Why we have to think about our democracy? Why good governance is important? I'll talk about that sa weekend. No? But importante, tonight, matulog kayo na nalalaman, meron kayong gobyerno na hindi sunod-sunuran lang. Meron kayong Senado na lalaban. Meron kayong Senado na hahanapin ang katotohanan. May mga senador sa majority na handang makulong, ilaban lang yung kanilang prinsipyo na independent ang Senate. Tuloy-tuloy po ang intriga, kaya tuloy-tuloy din po ang pagmi-meeting namin. But our country is worth it. So if you ask me what can you do for us, pray for us. No, pray that we stick together, that this majority will be given a chance. But pray then, di ba, na walang cover up kahit sino man. Di tayo pwedeng parang fraternity sa college na pag may rumble na, wala na akong pakialam kung sino tama at mali, basta kambihan na lang yung brad natin kasi rumble na. Hindi po. If we love God, if we love our country, if we love the Senate, hindi pwedeng blind ang ating pagsuporta sa kahit anong grupo. No? So say a prayer, and habang may oras pa, yung gumagamit ng reins of power, no, for their own purposes. You know, this kind of miscalculation, sabihin nyo, may makukulong, may makakasuhan, we can make your life a living hell. You know, again and again in history, tignan nyo how it ends, di ba? So dapat po, you know, we work towards having the righteous rule. So does that mean palitan ng palitan? Hindi po. Pray for those who nakaupo. Kahit naman po yung apostles, di ba? Si Apostle Paul was killing Christians. Nagamit ni Lord. So ang dami-dami pong example kung saan ang tao na hindi righteous ay pwedeng maging righteous by simply repenting, asking God for revival, restoration, asking God na malinaw kung ano tama at mali. Let me end on a positive note. We're willing to work with the 11. Sila lang naman nagsasabi na this will not work unless tanggalin nyo si Cayetano. Kung ako lang problema, no problem. Ang problema, pangatlo na ako eh. Anyone but Escudero, anyone but Legarda, ngayon anyone but Cayetano. So sinong susunod? Basta't hindi sunod-sunuran sa inyo at sa agenda nyo, dinideny nila may agenda na palitan ng konstitusyon. But the reality is, in 2023, di ba, muntik na matuloy, it was 23 and 22, 24, di ba, itutuloy na talaga yung PI eh. Di ba, so hindi mamatay-matay yung mga issue na to because meron po talaga. So yung corruption, we can change as a nation. But we have to expose and we have to punish the right people.